Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Ali Khwaja and Brothers World. Hope you guys are fresh and fine. In this video today I will show you a place in Jutial, Gilgit where three important institutions of Gilgit-Baltistan are located. Actually, this place is at the back of these offices. Well, we are going to get some of our winter clothes. The mall from which we will buy clothes is also newly built in Gilgit city. We will show you that too. Secretariat, Supreme Appellate Court and Gilgit-Baltistan Assembly. You can see it is the four walls of Assembly building. And in front is this Fauji Foundation School. Next is the main gate of Gilgit-Baltistan Assembly building. Passing through the Steak House. Beyond that is the school, the Educator School Gilgit campus. We study in this school. After all, a shopping mall is SM Mall. There are many shops here and Awari Express too. It has just opened. The hotel play a crucial role in the development of city by contributing tourism, economic growth and local employment. There are many shops here, but we went to children's clothes shop. From here we finished our shopping with low price and excellent quality. The building has 5 floors. The car parking 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Finally, I will tell you what I really like about the mosque in the SM Mall.